Yeah. Uh, Hi. Thank you so much for watching my introduction about Vedic maths. So now I'm going to show you a techniques of Vedic maths. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a techniques of Vedic maths. You know it. You saw my page of 3 days program. Okay. In these 3 days, in these 3 days program, in the day one, you are going to understand multiplication techniques of 9 and the logic number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So these 5 things you are going to understand about now. Okay, you're going to understand about now. The next 1 hour 15 minutes of video, you will get the part 1 and part 2 of the day 1 videos. Okay, part 1 and part 2 of day 1 videos. Okay, you're going to understand more information today about the logics. Okay, so let me start showing the techniques now. The first technique is, okay, multiplication with the number 9, okay, with the specific logic. You know, this is around the next 20 minutes of training. The next 20 minutes of training, I'm going to explain about multiplication with 9. See, it's in a workshop. I'll make you understand the power of Vedic maths and how simple is Vedic maths. Okay, how simple is Vedic maths? So, so I'll show you that logics which are simple and easy, but I'll make you to understand completely. So this is multiplication with the number 9 with some specific logic. There are 3 logics here. Out of 3 logics, I am going to show you all 3 logics today itself. Okay, on this session itself. The first logic is, in every multiplication, we have multiplicand and multiplier, right? So if the first logic is number of digits in the multiplicand is equals to number of nines in the multiplier. Okay, number of nines in the multiplier. I'll give you around 8 to 10 examples. You will be able to understand this logic completely. Okay, this logic completely. After this logic explanation, we will have a, I'll give you a worksheet as well. You just need to practice the worksheet and you'll understood more about the subject. Okay, about the subject. See, the first question, let me start with a simple example. Okay, let me start with the simple example. See, let's say I'm going to show you number of digits in the multiplicand is equals to number of digits in the multiplier, right? Let's say 54 multiply with 99. Okay, how to solve it this one? How to solve this one? See, generally 54 multiply with 99 in traditional multiplication, 9 into 4, 36, 9 into 5, 45, plus 3, 48. Leave this space, 6, 8, 4. The answer is going to be 6, 14. Okay, 6, 14 and 13 and 5. This is the answer. Generally, if we do a traditional multiplication, this is what we are learning since childhood. Since childhood. See, now the logic in Vedic maths. Okay, logic in Vedic maths. The logic here is very simple. Two-step answer. Two-step answer. Subtract 1 from the multiplicand. You know it, right? This is multiplicand, this is multiplier. You know it, right? So subtract 1 from the multiplicand. 54 minus 1, 53. Okay. Then once you subtract the multiplicand, step 2, subtract every digit from 9. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 3, 6 is the answer. No calculation is required, right? If you remember these two steps in the mind, if you remember these two steps in the mind, no calculation is required, right? See how many calculations we did, how much calculation we did here. This is the magic of Vedic maths. You don't worry about it. I'll make you understand this concept thoroughly by explaining more and more examples now. More and more examples now. 84 multiply with 99. See, subtract 1 from the multiplicand. 84 minus 1, 8, 3. Okay, subtract 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. That's the answer. That's the answer. Very simple. Look at one more example. Look at one more example. 6, 8 multiply with 99. See, 67, subtract 1 from the multiplicand. 67, subtract 9 from 6, 3. 9 from 7, 2. 67, 32 is the answer. Very simple. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand the logic. Okay, let me show you some more examples to make you thorough with this concept. To make you thorough with the concept, as per the logic, multiplicand is equals to multiplier. See, before some 2 digits and 2 digits. This is 3 digits and 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits and 3 digits. See, 3-digit multiplication is more difficult than 2-digit multiplication. Am I right? If you are doing 3-digit multiplication, you will get 3 steps, right? And I'm going to show you a 4-digit multiplication also. I'm going to show you the 4-digit multiplication also in one step. See, look at here now. 642, subtract 1 from the multiplicand. 6, 4, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 8, 2, 1, 1. Because 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Simple. 8, 6, 5, 6. Okay. And 1, 3, 4, 3. That's it. That's it. No calculations required. See, yeah, no calculations required. Directly we wrote the answer directly. This is what the power of Vedic maths. I hope you enjoy. I hope you understand. Okay, let me go through a little more big numbers. Okay, little more big numbers. Okay, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiply with 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, and let's go for a little more big number. Okay, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 8 multiply with 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. See, 6-digit multiplication, and this is 5-digit multiplication. Only one step answer. Subtract 1 from the multiplicand and 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. You check with the calculator. My right answer is right or wrong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Simple. And 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 7. Okay, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2. That's it. That's it. See, no calculations required. Okay, no calculations required. This is the power of Vedic maths. Let's end up with this concept by showing you a more big problems. Okay, more big problems. 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, 4, 3, 1 multiply with how many digits are here? 10-digit multiplication. Okay, 10-digit multiplication. Okay, okay, yeah. See, by understanding this problem, yeah, look at here now. See, the answer is going to be, um, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, 4, 3, 0, and subtract 1 from 9, all from 9, okay? Yeah, all from 9. 9 minus 7, 2, 1, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 1, 0, 5, 6, 9 is the answer. That's it. See, no, did we do any steps? Any mistakes? How fast we did? Imagine, my dear, if you want to do 10-digit multiplication, even this board is not enough. Even the space which I have in the board is not enough. Without doing any rough work, without calculating anything, I did the multiplication. I did the multiplication in one step, that too in the mind. This is the magical of Vedic maths. You feel, you maybe think that the problems are easy. Don't worry about it. As I told you in the introduction video, in the starting of the video, I will increase the difficultiness of the concept by these 2 hours of introduction of subject. Okay, and today and tomorrow's video, I mean today's and the next video, you are going to understand slowly the difficulty level of Vedic maths. Slowly, a difficulty level of Vedic maths. You will only understand the difference between traditional maths and Vedic maths. See, this logic, these numbers looks like easy, but can you be able to solve it? Question yourself. Question yourself. Can you able to solve it this much faster with traditional mathematics? I don't think so. Am I right? I don't think so. The next concept, okay, similar concept of the previous one. As I told you, there are 3 logics with multiplication with the number 9. So I am going to show you the second model, let's say type 2 of multiplication with the number 9. Okay, multiplication with number 9. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, see, type 2 multiplication, this is little similar to that, but little different. Okay, multiplicand is less than multiplier. Similar to, let's say, 64 is the previous example. I'm taking 999. Let's say same example I would like to take for understanding. 64 multiply with 4 nines. 743, okay. 44, 46 multiply with, no, I'll take different examples. I want to take random examples. Okay, 74 or 75 multiply with 5 nines. See, multiplicand, multiplier not equal. Multiplicand is less than multiplier. Here we have 2 digits and 3 digits. 2 digits, 3 digits. 2 digits, 5 digits. Okay, 5 digits. Look at here now. Simple, very simple, very simple. The next 10 minutes, you'll understand how easy it is. How easy it is. How many digits are here? 2 digits. How many digits are here? 3 digits. The difference between multiplicand and multiplier is 1 digit. This is 064. 064. So subtract 1 from the multiplicand. So 064 subtract 1. 063. Once you subtract it, same logic, because 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Previous logic, apply the previous logic. 0, 6, 3, subtract 9. Subtract every digit from 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6. Okay. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6 is the answer. So here simple. See here, difference between here 2 digits, here 4 digits. See, 0, 0. So answer is going to be 0, 0, 6, 3. 9 minus 0, 9. Sorry, I'll use different color. 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 is the answer. Very simple. Very simple. If you observe here, yeah, I'll tell you the observation. Observation here. See, this one looks here. How many digits are here? 2 digits. How many digits are here? 5 digits. Difference is how many? 3 digits. Add 3 zeros. Add 3 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 7, 5. So simple. Simple. So answer is going to be 0, 0, 0, 7, 4. Okay. Subtract every number from 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. See, don't need to write the steps. By the way, no need to write the steps. For only understanding, I'm explaining the steps. You don't need to write the steps at all. I hope you got the clarity what I am doing it right now. What I am doing it right now. In the same way, look at here now, little more big problems. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so little more big problem. 6, 4, 3 multiply with 6 nines. Okay, 5 nines. Okay, let's go for 5 nines and 8, 5, 6, 4. Okay, let's go for same 3-digit number. 3-digit number. 6 nines and 7 nines. Okay, 7 nines. Look at here now the difference. Very simple. 3 digits and 5 digits and 3 digits and 3 digits and 7 digits. See, now you don't need to keep zeros. Now you don't need to keep zeros. Simple. How you just keep in the mind. Keep in the mind. How many digits are left side? 6, 4, 3. 3 and digit, the difference between this and this is 2 digits. Difference is 2 digits. Difference is 2 digits. So simple logic, doing much more faster. Difference is 2 digits. 6, 4, 3, subtract 1, 6, 4, 2, subtracted 1. What is the difference between the digits? Multiply 2 digits. Write down blindly 9. 2 nines. Difference is 2 digits. Write down the 2 nines. Subtract every number from 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 2, 7 is the answer. See, the difference here is, difference here is 1. We got 1 9. The difference here is 2. We got 2 nines. Difference here is 3. We got 3 nines. No need to write zeros. No need to write anything. No need to write zeros. No need to write anything. This is what making understanding. I explain step by step. I'm explaining direct step. I'll explain little more direct step in this today's session itself. Okay, the today's session itself. Okay, see, 8, 5, 6. Subtract 1. 8, 5, 5. Difference is 4 digits. So difference is 4 digits. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, 9, 9. So subtract 9 from 8, 1. 9 from 5 from 9, 8 from 9, 1. 5 from 9, 4. 5 from 9 is 4. Is the answer. Did I use zeros? Did I use step-by-step calculations? Nothing. You don't need to write the differences and anything. Differences here is 4. That's why we got 4 nines. We got 4 nines. Irrespective of the problem. Irrespective of the problem, you can able to solve the multiplication directly in one step. Okay, in one step. Next, this is what this is a much more magic. I'm going to show you little more faster than before. Okay, than before. See, 328, 4 multiply with 999, 999. See, very simple. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 5-digit number. 99. Okay, 9999. 8-digit multiplication. 8-digit into 5-digit and 4-digit into 6 digits. Simple. The answer is going to be 3283. Okay, and difference is 2 digits. 99. So 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 1, 6 is the answer. Is the answer. Difference is 2 digits. See, my dear, understand. We are doing 4-digit into 6-digit multiplication one step, and that was 10 seconds. Hardly we are spending less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. I'm going to give you practice worksheets. Practice and check the answers yourself. See, if kids practice like this kind of problems, imagine how the kids how the kids' confidence will be. Even kids also can practice like this. If kids can practice 20 problems, 30 problems, kids can also get knowledge, and kids can also do the problems very easily. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. The answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 1 second. Pen got stuck. Pen got stuck. 1 second. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. Difference is here is 3 digits. So this is 4 digits. This is 5 and this is 3, 3, 8. Okay, 3 digits. Because it's a 3 digits, just observe the difference. Observe the difference. 3 digits. So 9, 9, 9. And the answer is going to be 9 minus 8. 9 minus 1, 8, 7, 6, 4. 4 is the answer. 5-digit into 8-digit multiplication one step. This is the magic. This is the magic of Vedic maths. I hope you understand. I hope you are enjoying this session. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the session. The last logic of multiplication of 9. If number of digits in the multiplicand is equals to number of digits in the multiplier. Okay, and number of digits in the multiplicand is less than equals to multiplier, right? Now the logic here is number of digits in the multiplicand is greater than multiplier. Okay, is greater than multiplier, and this logic is, we can call it as universal logic. And what is the meaning of universal logic? You know, by using this logic, the first and the second logics also, the type 1, type 2, as we done today, the type 1, type 2 also, we are going to understand by applying the same third logic. Okay, by applying the third logic. This is what, okay, this is what the third universal logic. This is what the third universal logic. So I'm going to make you understand this logic. Number of digits in the multiplicand is more than number of digits in the multiplier. This is little, this is little difficult to understand first time. Once you understand, this is also easy. This is also easy, but the steps are more. You'll understood this logic after completion of my live training. Okay, because you need to know subtractions. You know, in subtractions also, in Vedic maths, there are shortcut subtractions are there, logical subtractions are there, but I cannot explain the subtractions like right now. For that reason, I want to do a traditional subtraction. Once you understand the traditional subtraction, you'll get the answer. But once you understand the Vedic math subtraction, the answers are much more easy. Much more easy. So because of that reason, I cannot explain the Vedic maths subtraction now, because subtraction takes again time. I want to give you something more and more. I'll show you the procedure. You'll understood how easy it is. Okay. Let's say 83 multiply with 9. 83 multiply with 9. Okay, and 745 multiply with 99. 8643 multiply with 99. See here it is very simple. Okay, here it is very simple. See 83, write on the multiplicand 8 3, write on the multiplicand as it is, write down the 0 is equals to number of nines. See how many zeros are here? How many zeros are here? 1. 8310 minus 83. Okay, so how many zeros are here? How many ones are here? 1 nines. So multiply, add 0, subtract the number, subtract the multiplicand. 83, add 0, multiply, subtract the 83. So do the subtraction. You know the subtraction, right? 0 minus 3, 7. Carry 12 minus 8, 4, and 7. 747 is the answer. Okay. 7, 4, 5, 9, 9 minus, because 2, okay, because 2 nines are here, so you need to write 2 nines. You have 2 nines are here, you have to write 2 zeros. 745 0 0. Okay, 0 0. Subtract 745. You know, I will do the subtraction. I'll do the subtraction from left to right. So 7 and 4, so 3, 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 7 and 4, 6, 5, 5, 5. Okay, yeah. See, I applied Vedic math subtraction. My dear, I'm so sorry. I cannot explain here Vedic math subtraction because that is only the concept takes more than 45 minutes. So for now, for understanding purpose, you do a manual calculation. I'll directly write the answer by doing the Vedic maths subtraction in the mind. 8643, 2 zeros. I hope you understand the logic. If you understand the logic, that's enough. Minus 8643. See, if you understand the logic, that's enough. So write down the multiplicand as it is. Write down the multiplicand as it is, and once again, write down the multiplicand as it is. 8643 multiply with 99. See, multiplicand, how many nines are here? 1, 2, 2 zeros. 8643 99. Subtract the same number. The answer is going to be 8. One second. Answer is going to be 855 and 657. Okay, 7. 855 657. 855 657. Very simple. Write down the multiplicand as it is. Write down the number of zeros is equals to number of nines. 1, 2, and I wrote and the answer. Subtract the answer. That's it. Subtract the multiplicand. If you know the subtractions, how to do faster? If you know the subtraction, how to do faster by applying Vedic maths method? Very simple. What you need to observe is here I am solving the calculation. I am solving the calculation by using the subtraction. By using the subtraction, 6454 multiply with 3 nines. So okay, I'll go for 8. Okay, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3. Because how many nines are here? 9 0. 9 9. How many nines are here? 3. So write down 3 zeros. 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Subtract the multiplicand. 7, 6, 4, 5, 4. See, subtract. So what is the answer is going to be? What is 7? Okay, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4. Answer is 7, 6, and 4 and like 3. Okay, 3. And 7 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 7. Okay, and 5, 4, 6. 7, 6, 3, 7, 7, 5, 4, 6. I am writing the answer from left to right. Don't worry about it. after understanding the subtraction of Vedic maths, you will understood. Nothing to worry about it. One more example of this, and I'll close this concept. I'll close this concept. 5, 4, okay, 6, 5, 4. Okay, I'll write, okay, 6 nines. 6 nines. 6, 5, 4. 6, 5, 4. Okay, this is previous logic. No, sorry. 6, 5, 4, 8, 6, 4. Okay, multiply with 2. So 6, 5, 4, 8, 6, 4. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 8, 6, 4. Multiply with 999. So how many zeros are here? 1, 2. Subtract the answer. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 8, 6, 4. The answer is going to be do the normal subtraction. That will be easy for you. Okay, 6. Okay, for understanding purpose, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 14, 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 5 minus 4, 1. 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 14, 12, 14 minus 6, 8. Not borrowing here. So 4 and 6. That's it. You do normal subtraction for now. You do normal subtraction. That's fine. I hope you understand the logic. Logic number 1, logic number 2, logic number 3. That's it. This is the universal logic. You apply the same method, same logic with the previous problem also. Only one problem I'll show you, as it is universal logic. 6, 5, 4. Okay, 6, 3, 5. Multiply with, one second, 6, 5 with, one second, my pen got stuck. Okay. Right, okay. Yep. See, 635. What is the procedure? Write down 6, 3, 5. 6, 3, 5. And how many zeros you need to take? 3 zeros. The subtract minus 6, 3, 5. So the answer is going to be, if you do subtraction, do manual subtraction, the answer I'm directly writing 6, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 6. Okay, 3, 6, 5. That's it. You do a manual subtraction, you'll understand the logic. But if you use the previous logic, the logic number 1, that is much more easier than this. Because of that reason, I explained the logic 1. Special logic 1, logic 2, logic 3. This is by learning these 3 logics, by learning this universal logic, you are able to do it, the calculation. Okay, you are able to do the calculation directly in one step. You are able to do the logic in one step. Thank you so much for watching, and let's go for one more concept. So by learning those 3 logics, see, practice the worksheet. You will only understand how easy to do that. If you practice it, you will get to know the concept very easily. Okay, you will get to know the concept very easily. So like that, the children will also get the concept very easily by practicing. And this is more logic, more logic, and how easy I'm solving this 2-digit multiplication with some specific condition. 2-digit multiplication, we have many conditions. So I'm going to show you some specific condition. Okay, some specific condition of units place digits. Units place digits total should be, total should be 10. 10th place digits sum should be 10th place digits numbers should be equal. This is 2 digits multiplication. Every 2 digits number have units place and tens place. So units place digit should be sum should be 10, tens place number should be equal. So I'm writing 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2. See, look at here now. I'll write 5, 5, 8, 8, 9, 9. I'll make you understand the procedure first, then I'll make you to solve directly in one step. See, imagine if somebody asks you 98 multiply with 92, how much time you will take? If somebody asks you 56 into 54, how much time you are going to take? I am going to show you the problem in 2 to 3 seconds. I am going to show you the problem in 2 to 3 seconds. In 2 to 3 seconds. This is one units place digit. Multiply units place digits. 6 into 4. 6 into 4. 24. Take the tens place logic. 5 multiply with 5 to the next number. 5 6 are 30. 3 0. That's it. Consecutive number of units place. 5 is a step. This is step 2. Consecutive number of 5 is 6. 5 6 are 30. See, step 1. Multiply the units place digits. 7 3s are 21. Step 2. Take the tens place number is 8. 8 consecutive number of 8 is 9. 8 9s are 72. That's it. See, 8 2s are 16. 9 10s are 90. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. See, multiply the units place number. 8 2s are 16. Take the tens place number, consecutive number of tens place number, consecutive number meaning nothing, consecutive number nothing but next number. 9 to the next number is 10. 9 10s are 90. That's what the logic is. Okay, that's what the logic is. Let's go for little more faster example. Okay, and 73. Okay, or like let's say 74. Okay, 76, 65, 65. Okay, 92. Okay, let's say 94. 4 we used, 5 used, 6 used, 97. Okay, 93. See, look at here now. See, multiplication, very simple. 4 6s are 24. 7 8s are 56. Hardly 2 seconds. 5 5s are 25. 6 7s are 42. Hardly 2 seconds. 7 3s are 21. 9 10s are 90. Hardly 2 seconds. The only thing is you have to understand the logic. This is logic number 2. And one more logic. Similar, how to do this one? How to do this one? If in case 81, 89, 71, 79, 69, 61. See, according to the logic, 1 9s are 9 and 8 9s are 72. Is this answer is right? Is this answer is right? It's absolutely wrong answer. 1 9s are 9. The answer is right. 8 9s are 72. 0 9. Why we need to add 0 9? Why we need to add 0 9? Because we are doing the 2-digit multiplication. 2-digit multiplication nothing but units place and tens place. Units place and tens place. The number is given number is multiples of nearby multiples of 10. Tomorrow you are going to understand this method, why we are writing 0 9 here. Okay, in tomorrow you will understood why we are writing in 0 9 here using the base logic. And when we are doing a multiplication with the 2-digit number with any number, then the answer should become 2-digit number. So as we are getting only 1 into 9, only 9, we supposed to use 9 0 here. The more information you are going to get in tomorrow's class. Don't worry about it. 1 9s are 9. We got only 1 digit. We got only one digit. 1 9s are 9. So 0 we use 0 9. 7 8s are 56. 1 9s are 9. 0 9. 6 7s are 42. So don't worry about it. Why I write 0, you will understood in tomorrow's class. Okay, in tomorrow's class. This is what one more logic with some specific condition. Okay, with some specific condition. I would like to give you one more specific condition in this session. In this session, the specific condition here is here before the problem, units place digit sum should be 10, tens place digit sum number should be equal, and here I am writing units place digits should be same, tens place digits sum should be 10. Sum should be 10. Look at here now. Okay, look at here now. This is also similar logic to before, but little change. Little change. Units place should be same. I'm writing 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. Here you need to understand the procedure clearly. Procedure is important here. Tens place digits should be, sum should be 10. 8, 2, 9, 1. See here, look at here now. Step 1. Multiply units place number. Multiply units place number. 6 6 are 36. Multiply the units place number. 6 6 are 36. Step 2. Okay. Step 2. Multiply the tens place number. 6 into 4. How much? 24. Add the ones place number. Okay. Add the ones place number. Multiply in tens place number. 6 4s are 24 plus add the units place number. 24 plus 6 30 is the answer. Understood? Multiply units place number. 6 6 are 36 and multiply tens place number. 6 6 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 6 30. I hope you understand. So I'll again explain. Step 1. Multiply units place number. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Step 2. Multiply the units tens place number. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7 23. That's it. If you understood the logic, you can do in one step. 9 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 17 is the answer. No calculations required. 8 8s are 64. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 17. No calculations required. I hope you understand now. I hope you understand now. Okay. See, look at here now. 3 3 7 3 4. I mean, let's go for 5 5. I'll write 8 2. Okay, 8 2. Let's go for 9 9. I'll write you'll write what we write, what can we write? 7 and 3. Okay, I'll write same concept, no problem. See, 3 3s are here you'll get the confusion. 3 3s are 9. Here we have to use 0 9 because always 2-digit number in the right hand side. Okay, don't worry why I'm writing 0 9. You'll understood tomorrow's class. 3 3s are 0 9. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 24. That's it. 5 5s are 25. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. 9 9s are 81. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 9 30. 3081. Only you have one question, I think. Why I wrote 09? Very simple. 2-digit number. See, there is a parts called left hand side, right hand side. There are rules are here. These rules you are going to understand in tomorrow's class. Let me summarize in this session. I explained about 5 logics only in this. Okay, 5 logics. 9s with 3 logics and 2 different logics with the multiplication. Okay, I hope you are enjoying. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the sessions. I hope you enjoy the session as well. So this is 2-digit multiplication. I solved less than 2 to 3 seconds. These multiplications highly impossible to solve in 2 to 3 digits. It's promise. It's promise. If you learn it, I'm going to give you a practice worksheets. If you practice it, you can also do a wonders with like this. And next session, I'm going to give you again very soon, today itself. Okay, today itself. Again, I'm going to tell you 3 more concepts in the next video. So 3 more concepts in the next video. Not 3, 4 concepts in the next video. And catch you, and thank you so much for watching. And once again, thank you so much for enrolling, and thank you so much for watching my session. Thank you.